kind stranger saves the flight for a busy mom. Hi guys, my name is Mary. I am a very busy mom of my son, Tommy. Today, Tommy and I fly to see his grandparents. I am very excited and worried too, because I know that Tommy is very active. So before the flight, I talk to him carefully. Tommy, please be a good boy on the plane. Sit still for a while and we will see your grandparents in minutes. Okay, Mommy, Tommy nods. All right, maybe we can actually do this. To begin with, everything is perfect. Tommy sits in his window seat nicely. He is well rested and looks very happy. I take a deep breath and feel relaxed. After 15 minutes, Tommy feels bored. He wants to run and play in the aisle. Oh no, I cannot let him cry. I don't want to disturb other passengers. So I try walking around the plane. I hold his small hand very tightly. We walk slowly along the narrow aisle. Tommy seems to be happy. Yes, I hope this helps him feel better. Eventually, a flight attendant comes to us. We are sorry, but the plane is going through turbulence. Please sit down for your safety, she says. Oh, okay, let's come back to our seat, Tommy. Tommy listens to her and sits down, but as soon as he sits, he feels trapped. He starts to whine. Oh, my stress is rising. But worry not, I have prepared. I quickly open my surprise bag. I have stickers, crayons, and books inside. See? Tommy loves the coloring books. Yay! He is quiet for a few minutes. But after around 15 minutes, he throws the toys on the floor. He does not want to play anymore. I want to go home, he cries loudly. I feel so tired and my heart races. It's okay, I have another treat for him. I have strawberry candies, his favorite snacks. Ah, Tommy enjoys the sweets and stay quiet now. But he finishes the snacks very quickly. Now he has too much energy again. He starts to kick the chair in front. Oh no, please don't do it, Tommy. The man in front is very angry. He complains loudly to the flight attendant. This child is too noisy and annoying. Other passengers start to whisper and look. I hear them saying, "What a bad mom." Oh no, I didn't mean it. I'm so sorry. For a while, I turn around many times to say sorry. I try to calm Tommy, but he starts crying. My hands are shaking. I feel a big pressure on my heart. I want to cry with my son, too. Why are you crying, little boy? Suddenly, a kind lady next to us speaks. She has a very warm and gentle smile. Tommy looks at her and stops screaming. I am bored. It is not fun. The lady smiles and holds his hand. What do you mean? Flying is the best fun, she says. Look out the window. You are flying like a superhero now. Imagine you are flying through the white clouds. Tommy then looks out curiously. Oh my, he is smiling. He stops crying. Then the lady looks at me kindly. You have done very well, Mommy, she says, but children are not easy to control. I understand you because I have 3 kids. Next time, please stay calm, she says. Don't be afraid to ask for help. People are happy to help a busy mom. I feel so touched and breathe deeply. I stand up and give candies to everyone. Thank you for being patient with me and my son, I say. The passengers smile and take the candies. The atmosphere on the plane changes completely. Eventually, the plane lands very safely. Tommy hugs me and whispers, I'm sorry, Mommy. I ask the lady for her phone number. I will meet her again soon. Today, she taught me a deep lesson. To other moms, please stay very calm. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Many people are open to help busy moms. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. Who does Mary fly with today? Answer: she flies with her son Tommy today. Question 2. What does Mary take out from her surprise bag for Tommy? Answer: she takes out stickers, crayons, and books for him. Question 3. Why does the man in front complain to the flight attendant? Answer: he complains because Tommy is too noisy and annoying. Question 4. How does the kind lady help Tommy calm down? Answer: she tells him to look out the window and imagine flying like a superhero. Question 5. What lesson does the kind lady teach Mary? Answer: she teaches her to stay calm and not be afraid to ask for help. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.